Hello everyone, and a big welcome to OPPO INNO Day. I'm Shao from the Strategy Planning Department of OPPO Research Institute. With me today, our overseas CMO, Gregor.
Thanks, Peng. It's great to be here, and a huge thanks everybody out there in the audience.
Because of the COVID situation, our fans all over the world cannot go to the INNO Day here. Luckily, Gregor and I are on hand to be your virtual guides and walk you through some of our favorite projects here. Are you ready, Gregor? Let's go!
Yes, let's go. So there are a lot of foldable devices out there in the market, but have you ever seen one with a rollable display?
Actually, I got one here.
A real one?
Oh, yeah.
Great.
Want to play it?
Of course.
For those of you wondering, this is our OPPO X 2021 roll-up concept handset.
All right, let me try to open up an app. Really, the whole process is completely different. I'm already a really big fan of it. And if I want to watch a video, I can adjust it automatically. Will it expand automatically?
Yes, it will expand to give you a more immersive viewing. And if you are just reading the news or reply to the message to your friends, the screen will retract a bit automatically.
So that's a perfect device. So what's the magic behind this that makes it all happen?
We use a setting called roll motor powertrain, which allows two drive motors built into the handset. And also, the two-in-one plate display support technology uses two support substrates with cube-like structure on either side of the device. Finally, we also use OPPO's warp track high-strength screen laminates. Together with the linear pattern etched on the surface, the warp track laminate greatly increases the strength of the display, allowing it to bend while it still provides sufficient support.
Impressive. Although this is just a concept phone yet, I'm really excited where this concept leads us into the future.
Let's have a look at the new AR glasses. Will you try it?
Yes, of course. That looks like handy for the everyday usage.
Yes, it's AR shopping. The demo here shows AR technology in room setting scenario, which allows you to change the position of the furniture.
So what we need to do is only moving around with the fingers rather than spending the entire afternoon with the furniture store?
Yes, all this is achieved by our new algorithm for the spatial recognition. Okay, let's move to something maybe more exciting. This is the mobile game.
Yes.
Wow, here it is.
Nice. Looking so forward to it. I'm a huge gamer by myself, and I think AR gaming is the future of gaming.
Welcome, Gregor. Here you are.
Thanks a lot.
Welcome to the demo. For this demo, we are using AR to bring virtual battlefield of the phone and into real life. Thanks to the BirdPass optical solution, you will have an equivalent 90-inch, very large view in front of your eyes. While you are playing, Gregor, can you tell the audience what are you seeing?
Well, actually, you can literally see everywhere, and there's everywhere something happen, from dragons to warriors marching around. This is a completely different new experience.
I guess you can play all the day, but I have other things to show you. Come with me.
Well, wait a second.
Well, you're wondering what with this TV here?
Well, let me guess, some interactive stuff?
You can try it.
So if I put it to the far left, what happens then?
You can see.
Oh yes, it changes exactly what I have on my screen.
Yes. Please try it to another direction.
Let's go to the middle.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yes. So this is done by the new technology called UWB. It can detect the direction of the phone.
Well, that's pretty awesome. I have to say, I most likely get rid of my old TV soon.
Keep working, and let's see some other new technology. Oh, it's a difficult word. Electrochromism.
I know this one from my last Boeing 787 flight. I've seen this at the window cabins, right?
Yes, that's the similar technology. The electric field can change the color and the transparency. Press the button and you will see it.
Oh yes, it changes. Exactly like in the plane.
Yes.
So I'm looking forward what our engineers gonna do with this technology and in which OPPO product we will see it in the future.
This technology is so-called AI-powered eye control, or something like the mind control.
Interesting.
Now you are playing a game and you can use the eye to control the game.
Awesome.
Yeah.
It's really something fun.
Be careful that your mind can not far away from your eyes.
It's awesome. Great.
Well, unfortunately, this is the end of the INNO exhibition, but it's my pleasure to bring here to show you the whole exhibition.
Trust me, it's been more than fun for me trying them out by myself. And I'm really looking forward to see all those kind of innovation come to life.
And next year, we hope you all to have the opportunity to visit us. Until then, it's goodbye from me.
And goodbye from my side, Bang, and thanks a lot, and hope to see you soon.